If you're in the market for a CAD solution, you've probably come across Onshape. But is this cloud-based software really worth your time? Let's dive into what it offers and whether it stands out in today's competitive environment. Onshape is a cloud-based CAD platform designed for modern engineering and design teams. Unlike traditional CAD software that requires hefty installations, Onshape runs entirely in your web browser, which is a big plus for accessibility. It allows multiple users to collaborate in real time. So if you're working in a team, this feature is a game changer. The interface is pretty intuitive, especially if you're used to CAD software. You can create parts, assemblies, and detailed drawings seamlessly. The built-in version control helps keep track of changes, which is essential for projects with multiple contributors. However, there are some quirks. For instance, while the basic functionalities are solid, some advanced features might feel a bit lacking compared to heavyweights like SolidWorks. Also, if you're someone who prefers offline work, the reliance on a stable internet connection might be a deal breaker. Overall, it's an appealing option for those who prioritize collaboration and flexibility. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the real-time collaboration feature is fantastic for teams, and the cloud-based nature means you can access your work from anywhere. The user interface is user-friendly, which is great for beginners. However, there are some downsides. The pricing can be on the higher side, especially for small businesses or freelancers. Some users have reported that certain advanced tools aren't as robust as those found in traditional CAD software, which could be frustrating for more experienced engineers. And of course, if you lose your internet connection, you're pretty much stuck. So, while Onshape might be perfect for collaborative projects, it may not satisfy everyone, particularly those who need extensive offline capabilities or advanced features. In conclusion, Onshape is a solid choice for teams looking for a cloud-based CAD solution that emphasizes collaboration. However, if you require extensive offline capabilities or advanced tools, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you fit into the modern collaborative design landscape.